Welcome to this tutorial video on how to register your Entegrus MyAccount as a new user. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to entegrus.com on any browser. In the top right corner of the screen, click My Account to be directed to the Entegrus MyAccount portal. Step 2. You will start by clicking on the link at the bottom right of the page that says Register Now. Just a reminder, this process is only for new users. If you already have an existing My Account with us, you will just need to reset your password. Step 3. Here, you will create your profile. Enter your full name and email address. Please use the name that is assigned to your Entegrus account. Authorizing two-factor authentication is optional. If you'd like to use it, click this button to Yes. Once all your information has been filled in, click Next. Step 4. You will now be asked to enter information to link your Entegrus account to your My Account profile. You will need to enter your meter number and account number, which can be found on your Entegrus bill. Your meter number is located on your bill under Electricity. Please include all letters and numbers listed. Your 13-digit account number is located in the top right corner of the bill. Once you have filled everything in, click Next. If you are a new Entegrus customer or don't have your bill available, select to continue without an Entegrus bill to skip this step. Step 5. Check your email for a verification code. You'll have 15 minutes to retrieve this code and enter it on this page. Click Verify Email once you've entered it. If you don't receive a code, click Resend Email Verification to have another sent. Step 6. Now that we have verified your account, you will need to create a password and confirm it by retyping it. Make sure to follow the requirements listed, then click Next. Step 7. Review the terms and services by clicking the link to view them. Once finished, change the button to Yes to accept them. You can also choose to receive paperless billing at this point in the registration. If you would like to choose this option, switch the button to Yes, or leave it at No to receive your bill in the mail. Once complete, click Finish. You have completed the registration process. Please allow 5 minutes for us to process your registration. Sign in at any time on any device at myaccount.entegrus.com. If you wish to use your Google or Apple account for future single sign-on access, please ensure you registered using that same email address. Before signing in next time, select your preferred login option and follow the prompts to connect your account.